now leaving Caribbean Beach and headed over to Polynesian Villas. We're Polynesian Village Resort, and we're headed over to Magic Kingdom today. So super excited to get started and can't wait to show you where we go. Welcome to the Polynesian. Now we're just gonna get on the elevator, head up to the monorail, head over to Magic Kingdom. Change of plans. The monorail's down, so we're actually gonna walk over to the TTC and try to catch the ferry. But we're walking through the Polynesian Resort this morning. It is beautiful. Never been on the ferry boat, but since the monorail's down, it's where we're headed to.
It's in real water.
The Polynesian Resort right here as we pull away from the ferry. And there's all the bungalows, the very expensive ones on the edge. That's not where we're staying. We're staying in one of the houses back there, but super beautiful resort. About 8:30, I guess, and so we went ahead and got in line for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's already back all the way back here, so it's going to be a busy day, I think, and no fast passes, big lines. So here we go, and we'll see how we do. But we're hopefully going to let Blakely get to ride the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train for the first time ever. I know they look super cute in their matching outfits. Love it. Okay, look, watch it. Yeah, there's a treasure chest and a rocky horse. Nana's. And Michael's bed. I bet this one's Wendy's. I think this one's Wendy's. There's Tinkerbell. Nana. Flying over London. Oh, it's over the city of London. Oh, they're firing at us. Oh no. What's something you might want to deal with while you on to Splash Mountain, and we're gonna do parent swapping it. Sean and Kayla looks like they must have been down, and now we're just going back in. So looking like probably a little bit of wait, but not too bad because we're gonna do still parent swap, even though there's no fast pass system. But we got to make sure we ride it one last time. Also the playground's closed, which is so sad. But yeah, so I tried to look in Briar Patch, the other gift shop, but they said they've been closed for a long time now, so we think it's probably done. So it looks like if there's any Splash Mountain merchandise, it's gonna be in the line and in the gift shop when we get out of the ride. Like, oh my gosh, they are not limited capacity anymore. Yeah, like it's probably like a 30-45 minute wait for Splash Mountain already. So I'm gonna take Blakely over and do the Magic Carpets of Aladdin while we're waiting, and then I get to parent swap it once they come out. So it won't be long for that. So the fast pass will be good for that. But yeah, no Splash Mountain merchandise in it at all. So there are no more Splash Mountain merchandise at all. And there's like hardly anything in that gift shop anyways. So not a very good gift shop. And since they've decided to close the playground, not a lot for parent swappers to do. Whee! Whoa! Whoa, you're bouncing! I'm so glad, and I do really love the Adventureland music. It is by far my favorite type of music for sure. So now we're heading back over to Splash Mountain, see if they're off the ride yet. Hey, do you know what these are? These are saddlebags for your horses. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a saddle.
That's for my voice.
It is a saddle for your horsey.
I love a saddle.
You love the saddle.
Yeah,
Child after my own heart right here, for sure. Down with Splash Mountain, it broke down like twice on the ride. So even though we did parent swap, it took him 30 minutes to go through, me 20 minutes. So just know parent swap is kind of, does make it a little bit longer, especially with Splash Mountain, stuff like that. Big Thunder's gotten super large lines, so now we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna head towards Haunted Mansion and Fantasyland, work our way around. I think a cavalcade is coming, so we're gonna check it out and see what we can see.
The number on the doors signifies what century the colonial home is representing. And there's feces in the streets. That's sewage.
Yeah, so as you walk through Liberty Square, you'll notice that each of the houses do change in their style. And then as well as this. And here comes a cavalcade, you can hear it. Sally, Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie. So we're in line for the carousel, and right over here underneath Princess Fairy Tale Hall, Anastasia and Giselle are standing there and like talking to people. So it's really, really neat. So make sure to check those out and look for surprise characters. Whee! What's your horse's name, Caitlin?
Rose.
Oh, that's Rose. It's his house.
East Wind traded places with West Wind.
Here we go to Tigger. Do another ride of Winnie the Pooh, but it is everywhere, so packed. We're gonna try to go eat, and look, on our way over to Pecos Bill, another cavalcade. You can hear the music and know it's coming. It's the villains. It's Gaston. Raven Bakley, you're so magnificent. I like the gut driving. Look, the evil queen. Yeah. Chip and Dale. Hello, Chip and Dale. They're in their Halloween costumes, Caitlin.
I told you that was the costume.
Yeah, you were right.
Bye, Chip and Dale. Over to Tom Sawyer Island, right in the thing. Now they're only letting like 2 parties at a time on the raft, so they are a little bit longer to get there. And we just saw a snake swim across from here to this other little island. That was crazy. So yeah, we're gonna move there and have an adventure. Just got done eating at Pecos Bill. I hate these nachos. It wasn't very good. I would definitely wouldn't recommend. So I would go somewhere else for some lunch for sure. All of the rides are about 30 minutes now, so we're gonna head over there to Tom Sawyer Island and have some fun. This is my cavalcade. How cool! And Mickey Mouse was just on one a second ago. He does the Boo to You one. Heading out on Tom Sawyer Island. And here's the map of all the stuff here. Super cool. Right, let's go.
Yes, Yeah,
Big stairs.
that's a big.
Yeah, it's a great place to come whenever the lines are just really busy and you just want to kind of take a cool walk through. Look at the windmill and the cave, of course. Such as Mystery Mine. Okay, so you want to just come and sit and hang out. Great for grandparents to sit and rest. I'm gonna go up the windmill. A little bit of stairs. Oh, cool! Look at that. That is cool. You're not a ghost. Come on. For it, you get to see the castle, great, and the Libertyville Riverboat, of course. Haunted mansion, and a great view of Big Thunder. And as we go across this really cool swinging bridge, we're going over to the fort. Now, if you've never done this, you think this is just for kids? It's totally not. It's super neat walk. There's lots of little alcoves where you can sit and rock and relax. They're getting their shoes done.
Fine.
It's a train.
Get them. I got that guy in the back.
Him.
Bye,
Bye-bye, squirrel.
So cute, isn't he? Don't get carried.
There go the Dapper Dance. The Dapper Dance.
Oh, ain't pretty, but she don't swear none. She's kinda heavy, don't weigh a ton. She
Don't walk, let me fur. I think you should shoot them instead. Fight!
Every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him is a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I'm found. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. Where he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
love me, love
I talked to him, but I don't think he understood.
So you got Merida. Do you see the princesses? Oh, you like some more? Yeah. All the The stage is Buzz Lightyear. Really cool. Well, out here waiting for the food. Cosmic Rays. And the Tomorrowland Speedway. That's where we're headed. Construction going on. It's gonna be coming up soon. An awesome Space Mountain. Woo! We're doing it. Are you driving? That the People Mover is closed right now. So we absolutely love the People Mover. So now we're going to do some Carousel of Progress, and then maybe head over to do some Dumbo, but like Space Mountain and Buzz Lightyear, those are all really, really big waits right now. We did Tomorrowland Speedway, and it's probably about a 20-minute wait, which is kind of normal for honestly for Tomorrowland Speedway. So there's definitely just like normal wait times with mass stuff going on. And I've tried to take some Carousel of Progress, great as usual. It's about a 20-minute ride though, so do plan that. And now we're gonna go do Dumbo, Barnstormer, and maybe feel her magic. Woo! Hey, hey! Going up, you wanna go up? We gotta go up! Woo! Decided to sit this one out, so just gonna be me and Caitlin for the Barnstormer. You can have a really good view of Tron construction from the Barnstormer area. So still no train until the Tron light cycle or whatever the name of it is actually done. heading into Under the Sea with Ariel. With Blakely in hand. And Caitlin and Sean. It's right now a 35 minute wait, so hopefully we won't actually have that long of a wait. So we'll see how it goes. Believe it or not, Pirates of the Caribbean is at 75 minutes right now. Insane. But just our luck, right? We find shells. Okay, some more shells down this way. Because it's neat. All world, it says 25-minute wait, so of course you know how it is on side. And you come all the way outside, wrap around, all the way down here, and you'll hear right before you get to the stroller parking. Is this 25 minutes? Oh no, we'll see. Rider stop on Space Mountain is down to 30 minutes. It's about to look like it's going to rain, so the crowds are headed out. And it's about 5 o'clock, and the park closes at 7. So we're actually going to be able to get a couple more rides in. Just did Buzz Lightyear. I am awful at that ride. Someone can give me some tips. How do I get better at it? I was like 22,000. I know I have Blakely with me, but like, I was pitiful. So help me, please. Check out the Space Mountain gift shop. Love these mugs, the top on that. Cute little Mickey stuff and purple wall type merchandise. Love those leggings. I conquered the people mover. Love it. New. Personalize your own apparel. Really cute. Over here, phone cases and magic band cases on demand. So you're like customizing them yourself. Super cute. Okay guys, so we are headed out for the day. It's right about close to closing time, and we're gonna head back to our hotel because we have a reservation tonight at Kona Cafe at Polynesian Resort. So we are headed there, and we'll go check into our hotel, get our stuff all into our room, and then head over to the restaurant and then probably go to the pool. So the night's not over, we're just leaving here. So goodbye Castle, and we'll see you in a couple of days. On the monorail back to our resort, going to the Polynesian, right Bakley?
Please stand clear of the door.
Yes. Hey Bakley, did you have a great day? Yes. What was your favorite thing today?
At the castle.
Just seeing the castle? That sounds amazing. Caitlin, what was your favorite thing today?
Running
Splash Mountain. Sounds a good thing. Sean?
We welcome you aboard our hallway in the sky.
Splash Mountain?
And hope you
Yeah.
enjoy the magic kingdom.
I gotta say, Splash Mountain. I was gonna go into our mine train. I really like Splash Mountain. Okay. Magic Kingdom. Look at the castle right there. Look, here's the castle. Bye-bye, castle. God bless, be adventurous, and goodbye from Disney World and Magic Kingdom.